Alright guys, we're doing checkpoint 1, chapter 26. Before we get into this, the thing to understand and the key to this problem is understanding this. The current into the junction must be equal to the current out of the junction. And when it's referring to the junction, it's referring to like this middle point of whatever thing you have. So we can have something like coming out of here, right? And this could be like I3, right? And that would like lower this, right? So it's important to note again that all the current going into the junction must equal all the current going out of the junction. All right. So with that being said, we get into the checkpoint here, right? First off, we're gonna mark our junction, right? Like what is the center point that everything is going to or leaving? And that happens to be here, right? So yeah, this is our junction. Now, again, the important thing to note here is I in has to equal I out, right? So what are our I's? So first off, let's look at I out because it's a little easy, right? And we'll notice, right, you have this one going out, you have this one going out, right? And there's none others, right? So you have 2a plus 1a, right, is equal to 3a, right? And that is also equal to your I out, right? And then we're going to look at what we have going in. I in is equal to 2a plus 3a, right, plus 4a, right, plus 2a, right? And that's this one, this one, this one, this one, right? So we have 4. Perfect. And now if we find this, it is 11a, right? It's 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. It gives you 11. And now, since these have to be equal, then that means which one of these we have to change, right? Which one do we have to add to in order to make these equal? Well, of course, it's going to be this one, right? But what is that number? Well, it's just the bigger one, right? Minus the smaller one, right? And this gives us 8a, right? And this is going to be 8a going in or out? It's out, right? So we just add 8a to that, and this will give us 11a, so that they will be equal, right? So that means I has to equal 8a, right? And not going in, but going out to the right.